In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner, and to add a video, click on it here. If you can't find it, select Folders and select it from here. Now to add an audio file, use this plus icon next to the camera one. Select Files and look for your file by clicking Audio at the top. Selecting one of those apps or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources. When you find your file, you need to hold it and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!